So Google did it again and launched Gemma 4 open model. It is their most intelligent open model right now, and it is built over Gemini 3 for the research, coding, and image analysis purpose. And because it is open model, you can download this from Ollama, Hugging Face, and run on your own PC and server. So Gemma models comes with two sizes, 2 billion and 4 billion, and it runs on mobile devices and IoT devices. And the second one is 26 and 31 billion model for the agentic process. So the other capabilities of Gemma 4 is that it can do an agentic workflow. That means if you have an agent and you want to test it, run it locally on your PC or your server and evaluate your agent, then you can use Gemma 4 locally free of charge. The biggest capability is multimodal reasoning. That means you can develop an application that can process text, images, and audios. It can take as an input, but the output will be in the text format, so you can perform some agentic process. It supported 140 language. That means it can translate and work in 140 language all around the world. And other capabilities are same. You can fine tune it for your own purpose and the efficient architecture because it's run good on the mobile devices. So here they are showing the benchmark for 2 billion model, 4 billion model, 26 billion model, and 31 billion model for the Gemma 4. So it can perform a multilingual question answer, multimodal reasoning that can process text and images. It can perform mathematics solves. That means 89.2% of data set it was able to solve. Competitive coding benchmark. So if it does that, that means it can also generate code for your coding purpose locally on your VS Code and IntelliJ IDE. Scientific knowledge, and it can call agentic tools in your agentic system. So Gemma 4 is available on all the popular platforms here. I am going to use Ollama in this video to run this model locally and create an agent using Google ADK. By the way, if you want to know how to download a large language model and use it for your own AI coding process, you can watch this video here. So Gemma 4 model is also available on the Google AI Studio and it is free of charge. So you can process the text and images on Google AI Studio without any setup. So here in the chat window, I have input an infographic image of MCP versus RAG and asked it to extract the information from this image, and it accurately extracted all the information and given me in the output. So we are going to perform the same operation using Google ADK SDK. So to download the Gemma 4, download the Ollama desktop app, and after that, open the terminal and type Ollama pull Gemma 4 E4B model. So now we are going to make an agent, a weather agent specifically, where we'll ask the weather of a city and will reply by searching the weather condition on weatherapi.com. So for this, create an environment file and add these details. Add a Google API key, weather API key from weatherapi.com, Ollama base URL, which will be this, and Ollama model, which is Gemma 4 E4B here. Now create a new Python environment here. And after setting the environment in the terminal, type ADK create my agent. This will create a my agent starting code here. And here I have written a weather API function. So the instruction is it fetch current weather from weather API via city name. This is the endpoint where we'll pass the API key and the city name, and it will return the JSON data about the weather conditions. Now here I am using LiteLM to use the Ollama model for the local purposes. So here the model name will be Ollama chat / the model name that will be picked by the environment file. Then the API base will be the Ollama API URL. Then from the Google ADK, I am using LLM agent. This is the root agent. The model name will be the model object here from the LiteLM. So here is the instruction. You are a helpful assistant. Always produce a final text answer in plain language. You may call tools weather by city. And if there is no tool found, just return false or error. And here in the tools, I have attached weather by city. Now our agent is ready. Now let's run it. For this, type ADK web enter. So this will start a local host agent on a developer UI kit provided by the Google ADK. Click on it and it will open a developer UI here. Select the my agent and send hi for the basic conversation. So because I'm running a model locally, so it's taking some time to respond. So it's replied, hey, how can I help you today? So I'm going to ask, give me weather condition about Mumbai. Enter. So because we are working on the ADK, it's showing the tool execution also. So it called weather by city by passing the city and the Mumbai name. Then in weather by city, it returns this response from the weatherapi.com. And after that, it converted into a plain language for the human. Wind is this and humidity at this point. So here we made our first Google ADK agent with the help of Gemma 4 model on our local PC. And make sure you subscribe this channel because I'm starting a series on Google ADK where I will teach about everything about Google ADK, start from creating an agent to a multi-agent and deploy it on a Vertex AI. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye.